YouTube! Hey yo, what's up? Hey, sorry for the wait, man. Due to this COVID situation, workplace, and everything else in life, so I truly apologize for the wait on how this video been taking so long to post and edit and everything else. So I do appreciate you guys that have subscribed. Appreciate you guys that smash that like button. If you're not a subscriber, smash the button to become a subscriber. If you don't like my videos, smash the like button and like my videos. You know, it helps me. Other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for coming back. Appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned for more vids to come. And I'm just trying to do better with everything that I'm doing. Hopefully y'all like it. You know, please comment. Please do subscribe. All comments are good comments. It don't make a difference what it is. Yeah. Stay tuned. Looking for a new beginning.
Inside your body and then look at yourself and see how you playing yourself, nigga. This is the blues I'm playing. Congratulations. It's the motherfucking Chasers. Yes, it's
So that first part was just me running the threads, chasing the threads really. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these here. Drop them all down and slightly give them a little bit of touch down to the bottom. Nothing crazy tight. We're still gonna torque them down anyway. So nothing crazy tight. Trying to keep it clean as possible, cleanliness is key. Try to keep this thing clean as possible. As clean as it's going to be. It's going to get. Pretty excited for this build. So, gotta make it happen.
I thought you might be pleased. Well, where is everyone? Late as usual, I suppose. Late? No. Moved away? Wait. Without telling me? This is ridiculous. Wait. Now, go down.
Hopper spray before I install it. And yeah, so took the cheap route of the head gasket. So you guys can see that there. There you go. Cheap route. Hopefully it holds, you know. Take me a long way. So here I'm just installing the cams. Had to do this voiceover. It's kind of weird. I wouldn't necessarily say it's my first time doing this like this, but yeah, I guess something else I could try here and there in the meantime. But these are regular B16 cams, stock cam gears. You know, I'm just checking this out. You know, making sure the seal is sitting correctly and everything. I'm just checking everything out. You know, making sure it's all right. Here I noticed that I had a marking from the something I can't remember. But yeah. So you see me wiping a couple of these cam caps off. Also, when I was putting that last camshaft in, the marking I was talking about was from the plexi gauge. I had to check the clearance on the cam caps and everything because I did get these cam caps from someone else from a different motor. I'm not exactly sure if it was a B16 or whatnot, but you know how everyone says cam caps are marked up and milled to their particular head. So yeah, finish enjoying the music. Thank you. So here you see me fighting with this cam cap, just a little bit on the exhaust side, on the fourth chamber near the VTEC solenoid. That cam cap had some, still had gasket maker down in that hole where the boat goes. So excuse me. So I was clearing it out. It kept getting stuck. The boat was getting real stuck. So just wanted to clear it out so that way I wouldn't have any issues later. But yeah, got it all out, put it back down, you know. Yeah, finish enjoying the video. Thanks. Hey, check your boy out, man. He's such in a rush to get this thing on the road. Just start putting stuff in the wrong places. Look at that. The guy's a genius.